Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Edifier TWS330 NB wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to your device, or they're not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues, a factory reset. The second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you want to clear the pairing history, delete the pairing history, so you can set these earbuds up as a brand new set of earbuds. This will do that for you, and it's really very easy to do. We just need to put the earbuds in the case and leave the lid open. And then we're just going to come around on the back of in the middle of the case on the back, you'll see there is a button. And you're just going to triple tap it, like if you were to triple tap it on a mouse, triple click on a mouse, you're just going to go on that button, click, click, click. And if that works, you'll keep an eye on this indicator light in the front, and that will blink slowly when it's resetting and clearing the pairing history. And then it will start to blink rapidly, showing that these earbuds are pairing with one another, at which point you can take them out and pair them as a brand new set of earbuds.